What's going on, guys? Eric from the Wisco Guys here, and in today's video we're doing another one, guys. Auxito has also sent me another set of lamps here, LED light Auxito. So these are the 9005 size bulb in 65K white, and we're going to be putting these in the high beams. We've already done the low beams, we've already done the fog lamps in 65K white, and we have the turn switchback turn signals as well too. So I'll definitely be linking those videos as we go along. Definitely check those out, come back to this video and see what we're doing here with these high beams with Auxito LED light. So guys, Auxito sent us these lights here, these light bulbs, for pretty much the whole Ranger conversion on my XLT. Now we went with a 65K white, and we're doing the high beams here. They were gracious enough, I sent them the list, they sent it out, no questions asked. Now we're putting them on the Ranger, and if you go down to the link below, head over to their website, buy anything over there, there's a discount code. There's a discount code you guys can use, the Wisco Guys, and put that in at the time of checkout, and you'll get 12% off of your order for Auxito LED lights. So definitely check it out, auxito.com. I will link the specific bulbs that we're doing here for the Ford Ranger as well too, so you'll see that link down there in the description below. Let's get to it. Let's open this box, see what we got, and get these babies installed. So here we have the Auxito LED box. We're gonna open this up. It is packaged very well, so you know they're fresh. You know what you're getting is brand new. So here we have a bag of zip ties and O-rings. We have a product manual, and we have the light bulbs themselves. So similar to the low beams that we've done, very good quality, Auxito etched in there, looks good. And I see they have an O-ring on there. We're gonna have to see if that's gonna fit or not. We might be switching to one of these O-rings, but we'll see. But yeah, let's get this thing installed. So it looks like, I already tried to test fit it. It looks like we're gonna have to switch to the little bit bigger size O-ring, this bigger red one. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and then we'll get them installed. I'm just gonna try to get this O-ring off of there. Put that off to the side. We got our bigger O-ring. Let me get that on. So yeah, we're gonna switch to that big O-ring, and then let's get the old bulb out and this new Auxito bulb in. Alrighty, so we're working on the high beam, so we want to get this off the housing cap. Counterclockwise you twist and get that out of the way. And you want to reach in there, grab the bulb counterclockwise. See how easy that was? Unhook the bulb. There's a tab, you pry up on the tab a little bit, and it comes right off there. So put that bulb off to the side, and we're going to grab our Auxito bulb. Put the bulb in first. There we go. Bulb is in. That bigger seal is definitely better. I already test fitted it, but then we want to plug in our harness there. Boom, plugged in. And you're going to want to tuck everything in there. we're gonna do it like that, and then put our cap back on. There we go. There we have the high beam on the driver's side done. We do not have the high beam on the passenger side. That's the stock one in there. So let's do a comparison. Oh yeah, that's way brighter. There's stock. There's high beam. High beam Auxito LED 65K. That looks really good. It's really bright. Let's go see what the cutoff is outside, because this is super bright. Okay, there's low beams. Boom, high beams. That one on the left, oh, that's crazy. That's crazy how bright this is. Like, that's insane. That's good. That's really good. I don't even know if you can see me, but yeah, that's really good. Like, and it looks even better too. So, but yeah, here's where we're at. You can kind of see the yellowish from the high beam on the passenger side, and then we got the Auxito 65K. That's really bright. That's damn bright, actually. That's good. I like that. So there we go. It's so bright the camera can't even pick it up. It's too bright. I mean, even the low beam is just, but here's the high beam factory, and then there's the, I mean, it can't even pick, like, look at how bright this, like, it's so bright. Like, there's that, and there's, like, I get a tan off that. That's crazy. Like, look at that. So let's get back inside and look at it again inside. I'll get the other side changed out and we'll pull it back out and see what it looks like. So guys, I'm not going to show you this side up close. It's the same on this side. Like I said, we have the air box on this side. We even have the snorkel tube that goes into the air box too. So it's a real tight fit regardless. And then the washer fluid nozzle is there too. So yeah, so pull that out, and then pull your high beam counterclockwise. Unhook it. Now we have the bulb out. We're going to set that off to the side. So we got that off to the side. I'm going to take our Auxito 65K 9005 bulb. Auxito. I've already changed the O-ring out to that bigger red O-ring that came in the kit, so we should be good there. There. So we got that in there. That side's a little trickier. Sorry I wasn't really talking, but just wanted to concentrate on getting it in there right. So now that we got their pigtails all there, we want to plug them in, and then I want to tuck everything nice and neat in there. Like I said, there's zip ties in the kit, probably to keep it from rattling, but you just want to make sure you're clear of the fan, of the bulb. I think we're good there. Housing back on, got everything tucked up in there nice and neat. And there we go. That's in there. That side is a little bit more difficult than pretty much any other one I was doing, but you can still get it. It takes a little bit, but like I said, there's no room in there really, just enough to get your hand, the bulb switched over. So now that we got that, let's take a look. Okay, so these are just the low beams and the 65K. Let's get those high beams on. Oh yeah, there's the high beams. Yeah, that looks really good. So let's pull it outside, take a peek. Mind you, I'm not on the most even ground, but there's low beams, there's high beams. That looks good. Yeah, it looks really good. So that's what we want. Yeah, I like that. That's bright. On camera, they just look bright. It's super bright. I mean, yeah. So pretty much the whole front end is done now. We got 9005 high beam, 65K white. We have the low beam. We have the low beam H11s. We have the switchbacks. We have the switchbacks right there. See how that's white? And then she blinks, and then it blinks orange. So we got the switchbacks for the turn signals. And we have the 65K H11 fog lamp bulbs. Yeah, this is gonna be bright. I can't wait to go down the road with this and see how it looks. So I'm excited. So yeah, let's get back inside and talk about it a little bit and then go from there. All right, guys, that's pretty impressive. I'm excited to go down the road with these. It's pretty bright. I mean, we're in a lit shop and that's bright. That's bright. Yeah, that's a lot of light pulling there. So yeah, definitely, guys, go down on the link below. Go to Auxito.com. Find the bulb for your vehicle. They do have tabs. You can go through year, make, model. Find the bulb that's right for you. These are the 65K white that we put in here. So definitely go in there. I will also link the bulbs themselves in the link below. And don't forget to use the Wisco, guys, for 12% off your order at the time of the checkout and get that discount, guys. So definitely like to thank you guys for watching. Definitely hit that subscribe button. Check out Auxito so we can keep doing more videos like this for the channel. So thanks, guys. You have a good day or night or whenever you're watching. You guys have a good one. See you. Bye.